Okay. Good evening, basketball fans. Welcome po tayo sa ating final game for the week between QDF, Clad, and Yellow. Yan po yung mga Yellow Boys po yan. And versus, nandiyan po ang the Sky Team or Clad and Sky Blue. Kaya QDF versus Sky Team po tayo yun. This is your, of course, ang liga ng mga lumilipad. Aviation Friendly League, Dabas sa Flying League. Would like to find sponsors, Thread and Needles, and Team LBC Harlem Padala. Sampan na po dyan ng SPB Pilipinas, ARA, ako, Referee Association, at PSBQ Basketball League. Okay, tapos na po yan. Second game for tonight now between QDF versus the Sky Team. Okay, tapos na po. Back to the ball game. Second game now start na between Sky Team and QDF. Lang sila.
Starting unit, please.
Okay. Habang nag-aantay ito kami nanonood na. Mga boss. Hey, kami, Shumat. I'm selling shoes. What's your size? Shoe size.
Starting five for UR Sky Team. We have jersey number 2.
Nice fit.
Jersey number 6. Jersey number 18. Akin mo tayo.
Never been touched, never been used, even in the
Don't dunk if you use that one.
never been touched, never been used. It's original, but no box, unfortunately. It came without a box. Okay, second game na po tayo ngayon between last prize, friend. Last prize.
Give me your number.
66449228. 44 9228. 28, sir. Sir kami. Yes. 6644.
Sabi mo may jamurat ka din, ipakita mo yung jamurat.
Sa stool pa. Sa stool.
Jamurat yan sa stool.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. There's another shoes also I'm selling. There's one more shoes I'm selling. Jamorant. Jamorant also.
Yun ang one.
Huh?
Which
I'll send to Scott. Send the photo.
Same with Alex.
I-swivel mo muna, pre. Swivel pa para ng Jamorant. Swivel mo muna, pre. Ay, wala pala dito.
Speed move, jersey number 28.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Sir, kami, PM me. I'll send you through WhatsApp the photos. Priyas. Pre, Jamorant, magkano pre? Jamorant, pre. Pre, Jamorant, mga ibebenta, pre. Yung Jamorant. Scott, yung Jamorant, mga ibebenta. Okay, balik tayo po sa ating laro ngayon. Number 1, Bajola, pops up. Nope, is nilabas po. Nilabas again. The blue shirts na is in. Blue shirts on the run. Royol, naka-rebound to Bergana. Royol, foul called.
There's a foul.
Foul called.
Foul committed, jersey number 22.
Number 22 called for the foul. Royol, number 28, shooting for 2. The score is 2-0. Okay, down. Down pala. Riol, Trapal, driving strong, Abergana, Riol! Tapos. Ngayon na sila. On the run, 3. Frias against Abrigana. Frias, nakalusot. Frias. Difficult shot, no good. Trapal. Pops up, no. And Asuriol. Out of bounds.
Kunin natin. Sa MBBL, Kanila Torres. Kunin natin.
Riol for the inbound.
Albo. Kayo rin ba tumatawag sa MBBL? Hindi.
Pops up. Nope, good. Abrigana naka-rebound. Abrigana recovering. Pops up. Abrigana! Foul. Cylinder foul called for sure on
Technical!
cylinder foul on Badjola. Abrigana shooting for 3. Number 3 Abrigana for 3 nga. Confirm it's for 3.
Wala pa technical yun, no?
3 shots given for Abrigana. Pops up. Pasok. First shot made. Second shot. Abrigana, second free throw. Pops up. No good. Last throw. Jumpers ready. Abrigana, last free throw. Jumpers ready.
Last throw.
It's in. Okay, 2-all. Deadlock po tayo. Naipit. Badjola. Nando sa Abrigana. Called for a foul. Badjola again. Called for a foul. Back-to-back foul. Nagme-message. Sabi rito. Sancho Matay. Sander. Good luck, Boss Enteng.
Hindi si Enteng yan!
Dalita. Okay. Naka-steal. Abrigana to Riol. Pinasa kay Abrigana. Naku, nilabas. Intercepted by Siena. Again, Abrigana for sure. 2 points. 2 points Abrigana. Siena intercepted niya ni Trapal. Hoy, kickball. Sinipa ang bola. Huli ka, boy. Shout out, sabi ni JP. Okay, sabi ni JP, magsumbol. Shout out, duty free. Abrigana, kapos. Abrigana, good ball, no foul. Lipit.
Grabe yung Badjola!
Badjola, nice hustle play. Okay, pinotis po, medyo depleted po ang Sky Team dahil si Beta naka-duty sa kanila. And Kalo, naipit, Kalo creating space. Frias, walang pinasahan. Out of bounds. Oh, sumami na. Okay, Siena, binababa ang bola. Siena number 2. Siena, Riol creating space. Riol, no good. Nice rebound by 22. Frias, naipit ng konti. Number 10, Badjola. Kalo, 2 points. Tablados muli po tayo. 4-all tayo at 6:30 remaining. 6:27 remaining sa ating larong ito. Abrigana for 3. Nope. Again, number 13. Sino ba to? Ishibon. Badjola. Ishibon. And this guy play. No good. Abrigana karibad. Abriganas. Royol. 2 points. 2 points Riol. 5:53 remaining.
2.8 for Sky Team.
Into a foul called. Uy.
There's a foul committed. Jersey number 6.
Trapal called for a foul. Trapal, pinapulit ano. Trapal, good luck. Duty free, sabi ni magsumbol. QDF ball. Ball pa ng QDF. Intercepted again. Siena, Riol, 2 points. 2 points to Riol. Padjola, tinatrap na naman siya. Good ball, walang kick. Pops up, Ishibon, no good. Padjola, Duko, 2 points. Padjola.
Last possession.
5:18 remaining. 6-8 ang score. Siena nawala ang bola.
Tangina, nauna kasi kulang eh. Nauna kasi kulang eh.
Okay, 5:10 remaining. Change lineup po tayo. 6-8 ang score po natin. Second lineup po tayo. Of course, grupo ni Iko versus, of course, grupo ni Son naman.
Pasok na po.
Number 30, Revillano. Number 30, Nancy. Number 30, Suriol will remain. It's a Vergano also, will remain also. Parang kamukha ni Ricky yun eh. Harden. Okay. QDF. Amran. Nandun si Iko. Binato ni Iko ang bola. Nandun si... Wala. Hindi na pa. Not touch. No touch.
Baseball tayo.
Dapat na patos, Nogi.
Shot clock is 20 seconds.
Abrigana. Abrigana for 3. Offline. QDF ball. Binababa ang bola. QDF ball, number 15. So, nice play sana. Pero, hindi na control. Yellow ball.
Last touch. Shot clock will remain. 15 seconds.
15 seconds remaining. And, eto na. Binato rin. Harsha. 2 points Harsha. And Digusman. Wala. Take 2. Digusman, number 30, shooting for 2. Blocking foul called on number 25, QDF. Number 30, Digusman, shooting for 2. Pops up. Pasok. It's in. Second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. Second throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Both basket made. Number 15, Harsha. Number 25, binababa ang bola. So, buying body. So, intercepted by Digusman. Digusman. Nope. Nice one. Number 12, 2 points. 8-12, 33 remaining. Emran. Nawala ang bola. Digusman. Number 12. Nawala ang bola. Balik muli po sa yellow ball. Bolang dilaw muli po tayo. Bolang dilaw. Amran. 25. Binababa ang bola. 3:06 remaining. 8-12 lang ang score po natin. Pops up. Amran. Nope. Up. Yellow ball.
Tumama.
Harsha inbounding.
14 shot clock.
So, for 2. Tapos. Abrigana is Abrigana. Binababa bro. Abrigana. Easy 2. Easy 2 by Abrigana. Again, number 25. Again, still. Riol. 2 points. Out. Iko. Banging bodies. No good. Riol ang rebound. Riol for 3. No good. Rebound battle won by the yellow shirts. Fernandez, number 15. So, swipe away. Abrigana, and one play pa binigay.
Basket good. Ball committed. Jersey number 30.
Sabi ni Matthias Sander, congrats Scott for winning the game. Lakas talaga ng AU, Airport United. Sabi ni, ni Dalida. Okay, nag-timeout po. Sino po nag-timeout, referee? Timeout called by QDF. Pero habang po nga naka-break po tayo. Okay, bago po yan. Mag-home TV shopping muna tayo. O, ito ha. O. Ayan ha. O, bagong-bago po yan. Binibenta ko po yan ha. Jordan Westbrook, size 12. Never been touched, never been played pa po yan. Ayan ha. PM is the key. Oh, siyo? Sapatos? Size 12. Size 12. Ha? 150? Pwede, sir. Presyo kaibigan naman, boss. 200. 200. 2.
Bili mo na, size 12.
Size 12. Abrigana, no good. Op, si Daisy, teka lang.
Suspindi. Bawal nga rin dapat manok dyan dito eh. Bago, straight.
Abrigana. Another shot, pops up. Kapos. Kapos. 155 remaining. 10-15 na score po natin. 10-15 na score.
1 minute 55 seconds.
O, teka na to. May tatanong. Ay, Sir Gabi, wala po akong size 10, sir, as of now. Size 12 pa lang ako. Meron ako size 12. Okay, Di Guzman. Abrigana, Iko again. Pops up. 2 points, Iko. Upper body strength, Iko. Talagang ano. Harsha, nipit ang konti. Amran for 3. Amran. Nope. Nandun naman si Fernandez. Good ball. 40-70 lang po naman po ng tatlo lang ang team Sky Team. Di Guzman. Abrigana. Foul.
Ball committed. Jersey number 15.
Abrigana inbounding. Okay.
Both coaches, pasuyo mo muna sa court, sa table. Both coaches.
Okay. Ano yan?
And officials.
Official, we have an official's timeout. Si Mike pala.
Bakit?
Si Mike pala yun. May Mike pala naalala ko pala. Hindi. May Mike palang nalilipat sa ano. Sa dating mechanic sa yung Mike. Kaya pinag-usapan yata nila. Okay. Meron po siya pinag-usapan lang. Okay.
Alright, back to the ball game.
Okay, back to the ball game. May yata kinala-refer lang yata yung both teams. Kaya nagpatawag ko ng official timeout. Abrigana to Di Guzman. Abrigana. Royol. Abrigana again. Di Guzman pops up. Nope. Rebound by So. Harsha nakawala. Harsha and one play made. The stalwart po ng Alporno.
Jersey number 3.
Okay, Alporno stalwart po. Nandito po tayo. Harsha for the tie.
Free throw.
Sabi ni Roy, go team QDF. Okay. Harsha, okay, basket made. Deadlock tayo after some time nagtabla po tayo. 29 seconds remaining. Riol, De Guzman, Mike for 3. Yes, sirree. Mike, 3 points, pasok. Oops, si Daisy. Teka lang po tayo.
Jersey number 15. Warning for penalty. Makakagyan.
Mabait kasi. Uy.
9 seconds.
Okay, last shot no made na. Calling yung shot na si Abrigana. Abrigana.
Ng schedule, kasama pala doon mga sila.
Dahati nga kasi yung medyo mechanicos. Traveling violation. Dahati kasi mechanicos. Then sinaman nila mga bata. Yan malakas yan. Wala na silang dominant big man. Pero more on speed sila. Ouch!
And the first quarter.
Okay, end of first quarter pa lang po tayo. Second quarter action coming up. Ano po tayo? Hanap buhay muna po tayo. Hanap buhay muna. This is your aviation friendly league, Dabas of Flying League. We'd like to find sponsors. Una po is Thread and Needles and Team LBC. Hari ng Padala. Of course, nandiyan po ang SVP ARA and PSPQ Basketball League. And of course, second game po tayo is QDF versus the Sky Team. Yan. Pero habang hindi pa po sisimula po, ayan po shoes available, size 12 po yan. Jordan Westbrook, never been touched, never been kissed po yan. Yan, malinis pa yan, hindi pa nagagamit yan. Yan bagong dating lang po yan. Yan oh. PM is the key. Okay. Okay, si Bullet, nandiyan pa si Bullet.
Putang ina yung Bullet, yung idol ko.
Bullet, nandiyan na, si Guzman.
De Guzman.
Ito, di pa nag-warm up to. Number 5, pops up, dope. Laki nilaw. Foul call.
Yung shooter nila, no?
Laki nilaw. Yung laki nilaw.
Jersey number 2.
Okay, number 28, to Badjola. Yan, to number 5, Tan driving. Fernandez pops up. It's, mali mo miss intercepted. Dahil 17-20 muli po tayo. Okay. Laki nila to De Guzman. Binaba ang bola. De Guzman. Siena. Number 2, Siena. Driving. Slicing. Pinasa muna. De Guzman pops up. Nope. Rebound by number 13. Kick pass. Nando Sico. Tan. 2 points Tan. 19-20, 9:07 remaining. Second quarter action. Iko. Bang! 2 points. Iko, hindi naglaro sa sa car park Matagal na. Hop! Guzman! And one play pa binigay. Nice foul. De Guzman. Nice foul po. And also plus one more free throw para kay De Guzman. Okay, De Guzman number 30 for another free throw. The score is 19-24. De Guzman. Jumpers ready. Pops up. Wala. Rebound para by the yellow shirts. Badjola, binabang bola. Badjola number 10. Badjola! Naipit.
Foul minute, jersey number 9, Bullet.
Number 9, Bullet called for the foul. Calo for the inbound. Inbounding si Calo. Nando si Bullet. Same ball. Tumama sa ulo ni Bullet. Balik pa rin po sa dalawang bola. Number 13 for the inbound. Number 13. Number 22. Ishbon. Ishbon for 3. Nope. Good ball. Out of bounds. Nice effort by Tan. Pwede yan. That's not enough. 8:13 remaining. 19-20 score po natin. A 5-point lead advantage by Team Sky Team, the blue shirts. Or the Sky Blue shirts. Sky Team. Iko. Nandun Yellow Boys.
Madiola.
Ay. Pre. Sino?
Madiola. Basket, jersey number 28. 5-point lead. 26-25. 26-25. Foul committed.
What is his size?
Foul committed, jersey number 5.
We will buy cover all the way. Okay? Thank you.
Sino yun?
Bata ako. Yun na.
Bullet!
Okay, laki nila shooting for 2.
Masyado kasing mainitin eh.
Pops up. Wala. Second shot. Second free throw.
Nagsalita nga lang daw siya nung nagsalita lang daw siya.
Second shot, laki nila. Pops up. Wala. And Yellow Boys. Yellow Boy! Out of bounds!
Out of bounds.
Balik muli po tayo sa Sky Team ang bola. Sky Team again. Siena. Laki nila. Palpal. 2 points. 2 points. Again, nagtatrap na naman sila. Pachola. Kalo. Still completed. Dope. Foul. Pushing. Natulak. Number 30 called for the foul. Tan for the inbound.
13 foul.
Tan for the inbound to Badjola. Badjola, pinapasa kay Nino. Badjola, pinapaba mo ng bola. Badjola. And Kalo. Kalo, 28 for 3. Nope. Rebound battle won by the Blue Shirts. Binato. Siena. 2 points.
Basket. Akit po siyang
Tan. Iko. Siena again. Siena. Binababa ang bola. Siena. Number 2. Siena. Tapos. Again. Laki nilaw. Laki na for 3. Offline. Siena. 2 points. Pasa pala yun. 21-32. Laman na po ng 11 po ang Team Sky Team. A biggest lead so far been enjoyed by Sky Team, the Blue Shirts. Or the Sky Blue Shirts. Number 22, Skirining. Tan driving. Pops up. Nope. Rebound by number 0. Guzman, no good.
Minadali mo ako. Hindi ko na nga binabawasan.
Binaba bola, di ba binaba?
Ibon.
Pops up, number 10. Yes, sirree, number 13, 3 points. 29-24-32. 8-point lead advantage. De Guzman, number 30. Iko, binababa ang bola. Iko. Siena. Nandun sa laki na, creating space. Foul call. Foul. Laki nila for sure shooting for 2. Shoot mo. Okay. Bakit? Bababili.
That's your second personal foul.
Laki nila, number 15. Pops up. Pasok. Patok. Second shot.
Prepare to shoot it. Yung mga hindi na napasok ha. Papasukin na.
Second shot, no good. Okay, number 22. 22, binababa ang bola. 22, pinasa. Nandun sila kanilaw. Lost the ball. Again, lost the ball. Yellow shirts against Bullet. Kalo. Isa pa. Kalo. And one play.
Nauna kasi kan mo! Pinsan!
Kalo. Number 9 again, called for the foul. Kalo for the bonus free throw. 5:27 remaining. Sky Team tumago na
Bulit
po
na
ng
wala kasi
timeout.
kan mo eh. Oo nga na yung pagka-pick. Doon sa pangalawang may foul. Wala, oo. Kasi sumama siya. Sumama siya.
Okay, you're watching now the final game for this week between QDF and Sky Team. And of course, this is your Aviation Free Doubles of Flying League. Would like to thank the following sponsors: Team LBC, Hanap Padala, and Thread Needles. And of course, thank you pa SPB ARA Association or Ako Referee Association and PSB Basketball League. Final game po tayo for this week. Now being played now between Sky Team and QDF. Back to the ball game. Okay, just to complete the bonus free throw. Number 22, Kalo.
Prepare second unit.
Ayun yung cellphone niya.
Yung sa akin, yung sa'yo, yung binili ko sa'yo. Yung World Cup pa. Yung blue. Banganda siya pero minsan nagsinusumpong siya.
Ayun pinapili ko na yung libre.
Oo, yung mura, yung panong kasi nalo, yung World Cup kasi, di ba? Digusma, nope! Ishibo, and again, to Kalo again, Kalo, binababa ang bola, Kalo, makapos. Laki nilaw. Walang pinasa. Okay, after 5 minutes po, change unit po tayo. Oh, saan tayo pare? Tapos. Ha? Magpo ka dyan. Dalawa lang tayo.
Nadirota na.
Magic na lang.
Hanap.
Ano naman?
Malanta yung anin doon.
Eh, okay, surutan lang. Tuyo naman yung tapa. Hindi juicy.
Hindi wag tap silog order.
Angels na lang tayo, pre.
Layo kasi nun, boss.
O, sasadyain natin.
Layo. Mamatay pa. Lalo na tayo.
O, nandiyan ka naman. Ano ginagawa ng kaskasan dyan?
Diaz. Pass to the ball.
Nako, flying body, power move, malalim. Okay, Aris Sila. Ano sa Aris Sila? May sa Aris Sila. Sabi ni Aris Sila, Kobe size 5, 11. Kobe 5 size 8, brand new, Lear of Mamba for sale. Okay. Oh, nagbebenta. O sige sir, trade na lang tayo. Lear of the Mamba, mahal yun. Just PM is the key. Hans.
14 shot clock.
Number 20. Nope. Ayaw. Yambao, number 20, shooting for 2.
Arnan.
Running gun sila. Okay, Yambao, number 20, pops up. First shot. Wala. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo.
Warning for penalty na. Sky Team.
Second shot, Yambao, jumpers ready. Number 20, Yambao, pops up. It's out. Rebound battle. Yellow shirts. Oh, teka lang. Okay, call. Okay, merong konting contest na, kino-contest lang po. Okay. Kino-contest. Okay, final score. Okay. Ball will remain with the blue shirts. Blue shirts. Yambao pops up. Malakas. Again, blue shirts again on the attack. Malapad. Out of bounds. Body nila tayo. Bodies. Body nila. Harsha, naipit. Held ball situation. May bote sila doon. Baka may yellow sila. Hindi pala yung gamit nila. Harsha, rebounding. So, kick pass, pops up, 25, no good. Again, balik tayo. Binababa ang bola ngayon, Sky Team, binababa ang bola, Sky Team, malapad. Number 21, and one play, binigay. Okay, Hans number 21 shooting for the bonus free throw. Number 9 called for the foul ng QDF. Hans 21 shooting for the bonus free throw. First shot. Wala. Rebound pair won by the yellow shirts again. So, binababa ni Song Bolag. So again. This bad for my business. Penalty situation. Penalty situation. Team Sky Team. So Adrian So shooting for 2. Number 26 So shooting for 2. Si Sir Aris, nagbebenta pa ng sapatos. Jordan pa. Kobe number 5, Europe Mamba, size 11. 800 lang daw. PM is the key. Pasok. Both basket made. 30-35. Dumidikit po ang team code QTM.
Naalala po sa buong team bilangan. Iwasan na po natin yung taunting. Nangyari na wala last time. So yung maliit na bagay, lumalaki.
Isang paalala lang po Iwasan po natin po ang ganito klase mga bagay para po tayo po ay masayang makapaglaro. Maraming salamat po. Intercepted, foul called. Nice deep, nice hustle play by Harsha. Number 30 Harsha. Jersey number 20. Penalty situation now, Harsha. Shooting for 2.
Both teams now in penalty,
Harsha shooting for 2. Harsha number 30. 2 shots. First shot. Pasok. Second shot. Jumpers ready. Second free throw. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pasok pareho. 33-35, 2:32 remaining. Malapad, binababa ang bola. Malapad, go. Sabi ni Roy, go. Go. Harsha. Yan, binabati ka. Foul. Ouch. Jersey number 30 called for a foul. Harsha, second personal foul. Tinapos kay Harsha. Both teams, penalty situation. Okay, sino nasa on the line? Yambao on the line. Number 20, shooting for 2. Pops up. Wala. Second shot, jumpers ready po tayo. Yambao, number 20, second throw, jumpers ready. Number 20, Yambao, pops up. Wala. Teka lang, early entry ang blue shirts. Yellow boys tayo kaagad. Okay, Harsha inbounding. Si Gamboa, tumanggap ng bola. Gamboa, driving strong. So, foul call. Foul from behind. The referees now will start to get stricter now regarding this game, if you noticed. Pops up, so fair shot, pasok. Just now to tie the ball game. To tie the ball game. So, second throw, pops up. No good. Rebound by Malapad. Malapad, binababa ang bola. Malapad. Malapad. Bantay sarado. Yambao. Kapos.
Foul committed, jersey number 26.
So, number 26, first personal foul. Yambao. Number 20, pops up. Kapos. 2 minutes remaining. 2:01 remaining to be exact. Yambao, number 20. Second throw, pops up. It's in. 34-36, tight game. Leading the game by 2 points. Second quarter action, 1:55 remaining. Frias. Harsha, naipit. Nilabas muna. Harsha, Dumala ang bola. Again, Harsha, foul called.
Last game, 21, foul.
Harsha shooting for 2 to tie the ball game.
32 seconds.
To tie the ball game. Pops up. It's out. Second shot, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Second throw, jumpers ready. Pops up. Pasok.
1 point lead.
1 point lead.
Yambao.
Okay.
Frias now. Spinning.
Frias. Look.
Shoot. Wala. Yambao. Pass to Malapad.
Malapad. Real. Naipit.
Gamboa.
Harsha. Nakalusot. No good. Harsha rebounded.
With the rebound.
Harsha, foul called.
Jersey number. Foul committed, jersey number 12. 45 seconds.
Harsha, out. Second shot to tie the ball game at 45 seconds remaining. Second quarter action. Harsha, second shot, pops up. It's in. Inside. 36 all. Tablados tayo. Sky Team and QTF. Malapad. Nice one. Nice steal. Harsha, binababa. Harsha. 2 points, Harsha. Okay, lamang na naman. Sky Team trailing behind now by 2 points. Harsha, nope, it's Real for 3. No good. Rebound battle now by Yellow Shirts. Yellow Shirts now. 25. Adrian Down.
Down.
It's down.
2 seconds remaining.
So,
Ball submitted, jersey number 20.
2 shots given.
That's your third
2
personal
seconds remaining.
foul. 2 seconds.
So, first shot. It's in. 3-point lead ng kalaban ng QDF. 38, 39, 36. Second try. So, jumpers ready. Pops up. It's in. 4 ang kalamangan. 14 to 2 seconds remaining. Binato na lang. Hands. Wala na. Out of line. Okay, halftime po tayo. Magbabalik po kami after 5 minutes of the ball game. Thank you very much po. At, okay.
Halftime, 2 minutes break. Requesting all players proceed to the court for your photo.
Okay, halftime po tayo. Laman po ng 4 ang QDF over Sky Team. Dito na. Okay, ito pong Aviation Fred Dabas sa Flying League. Naka-break lang po tayo. Halftime kasi tayo yun. You're watching right now QDF versus Sky Team. Final game po tayo for this week. And of course, this game is brought to you by the following sponsors. Team LBC Haring Padala and Thread the Needle. Sampo na po dyan po ang SPB ARA and PSBQ Basketball League. Final game po natin po is QDF versus the Sky Team. Okay. Habang naka-break po tayo. Oh, binibenta. May nagpapabenta sa akin. Jordan Westbrook. Never been touched, never been kissed po ito. Di pa ito nagagamit. Kita mo yung swelas naman, oh. Wala pa ganong ano yan, ha. Oh. Presyong kaibigan lang po. Yan, presyong kaibigan. PM is the key, ha. Yan, ha. Size 12 po siya. Jordan Westbrook.
Back to the ball game, third quarter.
Okay, third quarter action now start. Riol for the inbound, Idol. Okay, yan. Riol for the inbound. Final 20 minutes now. The ball game will start right now. Okay, pinasok na yung mga mga pambato na for both teams ngayon. Abergana. Abergana the skipper. Riol, power move. Foul called. There's a foul called. Foul called.
Foul committed, jersey number 15.
Jersey number 15 called for the foul. Abrigana. Nope, Cyril magpapasok.
Paalala, Mekos na mo pwede na mapalit.
Okay, pops up. Dang! Bryle, 3 points. Nagpaputok agad si Bryle. Fernandez. Number 5, Tan. Calo, nakalusot. Calo, 2 points and 1 play pa binigay. Calo, 2 points. Laki na for sure, called for the foul.
Jersey number 15, Lacaninaw, first personal.
Okay, balik tayo sa ating laro ngayon. Calo, 28, shooting for 2. Pops up. Nope. Rebound by the blue shirts. Bryle. Abrigana, binababa bola. Ayan naman, pops up. Lumipad. Wala. Ayun, Lacaninaw. 2 points, Lacaninaw. 42-38. Tan. Tinitrapping. Abrigana, nakuha ang bola. Abrigana, Royol. Easy 2. Now the trap now is in. Trapping. Harsha. Again, Royol. And 1 play pa binigay. Okay, there's a trap now being set now by the team, Sky Team. Timeout, UDF. They have to do something about the trap defense of the Sky Team. Nachochoke sila ng konti ngayon. Nice game being given by the young guns ng Sky Team. .55 remaining, 42-44. 42-44 at 8:55 remaining. Okay, balik muli po tayo. Royol shooting for the bonus free throw. 6-0 run being posted by the Sky Team over QDF. It's out. Again, Royol. Palpal. Again, one more time. Again, QDF. Foul called. No, it's traveling violation. Traveling violation, tinawag. Sorry, traveling pala.
Traveling first. 14 shot clock.
Okay, again, Royol for the inbound. Royol. Abrigana, kumuha ng bola. Royol. No, may yellow shirts. Again, yellow shirts go for a foul. Okay. They have to do something about that trap or else they can lose the ball game at this point. Harsha, inbounding. QDF, binababa ang bola. Tan. Ishbon. Nope. Rebound. Harsha. Malakas. Rio. Abrigana. Binababa. Abrigana. Foul. Foul. Abrigana on the line. Okay, Abrigana, James Harden ng Sky Team. O hardware. Pops up. Yes, sirree. Pasok. Second shot, Abrigana. Pops up. Nope. Rebound. Whoopsie daisy. One more time. Early entry. Early entry called by the referee. Substitution muna po tayo. Number 30 in. Para kanino? Para kay Mr. Number 6. Okay, si Trapal nilabas muna ni Di Guzman. Again, one more try. Abrigana. Pops up. It's in. Okay, basket made. 42-46. A 4-point lead advantage. Trapping again. Calo. Calo for 3. Nope. Tan. Palpal. Nice swipe by Royol. Smothered by Royol. Nelson Sira still watching. Intercepted. Foul. Harsha. Nice contact by Harsha. Abrigana, Pangulo Abrigana. Harsha, number 30, inbounding again. And to number 5. Number 5, binaba natin. Fernandez. Naipit. Triple team. Royol. Easy 2. Again. Foul! Tunog. Lakas tunog. Natulog. 7:15 remaining. Again, De Guzman called for a foul. Okay, Sharsha nilabas muna along with number 15. They need fresh legs now again for QDF. Number 10, binabang bola. Number 5. Harsha, number 30, Trenta, Harsha. Number 30, wala. One more time. Isbon, no good. Calo. Sayang. Iko called for a foul. Una pa lang Iko yan, number 16. Calo, number 28, shooting for 2. The score is 42-48. Laman po ng 6 ang QDF. Laman po ng 6 ang QDF. 28, Calo, second shot. Jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up. Wala. Op. Illegal entry. Balik tiempo sa team Sky Team ang bola. 6:52 remaining. Sky Team. Laki nilaw, number 15. Laki nilaw. Wala. Down. Take 2.
Number 5. Tan, that is your third personal foul.
Tan, pangatlo na punitan yan. Laki nilaw, number 15, shooting for 2. 6:43 remaining. Pops up. Wala. Second shot. Laki nilaw. Jumpers ready po tayo. 6:43 remaining. Third quarter action. Pops up. Out. Both baskets never made. Tan against Abrigana. Nalusot. Iko. Easy 2. Tan. Kick pass. Calo against Iko. Calo 2 points. Tibay, katawan ni Iko. 6.8 tayo, muli po tayo ngayon. Again, De Guzman. Iko, si Daisy, travel ka doon, boy. Nakita. Okay, balik muli po tayo ngayon. Okay, si number 13, nilabas muna along with Tan. 6:03 remaining. Fresh legs again, been put back again by the QDF team.
Ibounder!
Harsha. Lost the ball. De Guzman. Kick pass. Abrigana. Foul. Okay. Di sinasadya.
Okay, there's no foul.
Ano lang?
Violation.
Violation lang.
Substitution.
Okay, Royal nilabas muna. 28 Royal nilabas muna para kay Shena. Laki nilaw.
Shot clock
18 seconds remaining. De Guzman. Shena, number 2, pops up. No good. Shena again, rebounding. Abrigana. Iko, malakas. Calo, again. Calo, nandiyan naman sila. The trap. Padjola. Nandun si Digusman. Digusman again. Digusman. Iko. Easy to. Ito na naman. The trap is in. The trap. Foul called.
Foul committed. Jersey number 30.
Jersey number 30. 5:05 remaining. 44-52. Gamboa. Badjola. Daipit. Ayan na. Power move. Narsha. Kapos. Harsha again. Gamboa. Harsha against Siena. Kalo. Nice one. Padjola, 3-second violation. Patira na yung boy. 4:26 remaining. 4:22 remaining. Abrigana. Iko. And one play binigay ni Iko.
Foul committed. Jersey number 22. Substitution.
Okay, so pinasok muna para kay 22.
Substitution.
Iko.
Third personal foul. Jersey number 22.
Iko number 16 shooting for the bonus free throw.
Bonus free throw. Iko.
Iko number 16 bonus free throw pops up. Pasok. 11-point advantage again now. The biggest lead so far. Nahuli naman. Abrigana. Palpal. Pero sumabit si Harsha. Abrigana for 2. 4:01 remaining.
Asha. 4-5.
First shot made.
4 minutes remaining.
Powering up pala now. Foul again.
Jersey number 26. Second personal foul. Both teams penalty.
It's in.
Basket.
Second shot made. The score rate is 44-58. Again, nakuha again. Blue shot again, no attack. Laki nila, 2 points again. So, Frias pops up. Malakas. Uy!
Equal violation.
Kicking. Ito naman tayo. Malakas ang pasa. Again, naipit. Naipit again. Teka lang po, ano yun? Okay, nicely again. The choke is on. 3:05 remaining. De Guzman again for the inbound. The choke is on. 3:01 remaining. 44-60. A 16-point lead advantage now been posted by the Sky Team. Siena outside. Yellow ball again. Majola. Gamboa. Gamboa binabang bola. Gamboa. Dinerecho. Calo. Cargo Sico. Calo. Malakas. Nando Sico. Siena. Siena. 2 points Siena. Bajola again. Bajola. Nakalusot si Bajola. Bajola. Walang pinasahan. Okay, timeout called by Team QDF. The choke is on for Sky Team. QDF. QDF feeling that the choke is on. 44-60 ang score po natin. Again, at 2:12 remaining, lamang na lamang na po ang Sky Team. Sky Team leading now by 18 points. 44-62. 2:12 remaining. Okay, nag-sub muna po yata sila para ipahinga na po yung matapos sa fourth quarter action. Pinasok na naman muli sila Bullet and company. Balik na. Back to the ball game.
Back to the ball game.
Balik tayo, Siena. Siena binababa ang bola. Siena the skipper. Siena.
Pass to drive.
Malakas ang pasa. 1:57 remaining. Gamboa. Gamboa. Enter tayo. Bajola. Gamboa again. Gamboa. So, Bajola. Nagmamadali. Bajola. Foul called.
Foul committed, jersey number 20.
Yambao called for the foul.
Penalty, 14.
Penalty situation. Team Sky Team. 1:37 remaining. Bajola number 10 shooting for 2. First shot. Wala. Second shot Bajola. Jumpers ready tayo.
Last throw, Bajola.
Bajola second shot. It's in. Yambao.
There's a foul.
And one sana.
Foul committed, jersey number 8, Prias. First foul. Both teams and penalty.
Guys, chill lang tayo. Pops up. It's out. Second shot. 1:24 remaining. 45-62. A 17-point lead. Advantage. Okay, 45-63. So, kick pass. Again. Prias, nilabas. Talaga tayo pa. Ayun! Bryle. Yambao. Traveling violation katumboy.
1 minute remaining.
A minute remaining. Again, the choke is on. Man to man, man to man.
Kalo.
Kalo nakalusot, Kalo nakalusot. Kalo, 2 points Kalo. Kalo 2 points, Siena. Receiving the ball, Siena. Siena, easy 2. Malakas. Hindi pala. Calo again, Calo to Siena. Oh, steal completed. Nice one by Real. Real for 3. Nope. Nakuha na. Okay, now, Badjola. Uy. Take 2. Number 9, Bullet called for a foul.
Third foul.
Pasok yata. Sky Team called for a timeout. The score is 47-63. A 16-point advantage by Sky Team. 18 seconds remaining now for the third quarter action. And this is your Aviation Friendly Doubles of Flying League. Would like to thank the following sponsors. Again, Team LBC, Harem Padra, and Thread the Needles. Of course, nandiyan po ang SBB ARA, Ako Referee Association, and PSBQ Basketball League. And of course, nandiyan po ang for the last game na for this week na being played now between Sky Team and QDF or Qatar Duty Free. 18 seconds remain na lang po. Badjola number 10 shooting for 2. Number 10 Badjola number 10 pops up out. Second shot Badjola, jumpers ready. 47-63. Badjola number 10 pops up. It's in. 48-63, 15-point advantage. 15 seconds remaining. Siena number 2. Siena, shake and pick. Brian for 3. Nope. Bullet. Wala pa rin.
2 seconds remaining.
Okay, 2 seconds remaining. Yellow shirts. Binato. Brian. Jolens. Okay, after 3 quarters, the score is 48-63. Lamang na lamang pa rin po ang Team Sky Team. 15 points po ang kalamangan. Tama, 15 points nga. Okay, habang tayo naka-break po again, ha? Ano ba? Nagbebenta po tayo po sapatos, ha? Sapatos. Yan, ha? Sapatos po, ha? Yan, ha? Ayan, ha? Presyong kaibigan lang yan. PM is the key. Yan, okay na. Okay, final quarter now. On the way, final 10 minutes. Lamang pa rin po ang Sky Team ng 15. 48-63. Adrian Sof for the inbound. Adrian Sof, the big man from Sky Team. From QDF, again to Harsha. Number 30, Harsha. Harsha Ishbon for 3. No. Sayang. Gumalog palabas. Binababa ngayon niya. De Guzman, number 30. Yambao. Kalaki nila pops up. Inside. Pasok. 18-point lead advantage na being posted now by the Sky Team. So, triple teamed. Again. Abigana versus Calo. Badjola, binaba bola. Badjola against Trapal. Badjola nakalusot. Kick pass zone. Recovered. Ishbon. No good. De Guzman. Abrigana. Inda. Pasok na. Sumay ka pa, sabi ni Abrigana. Again. Abrigana. Riol. Jolens. Foul.
Foul minute. Jersey number 13.
Royol, number 28, shooting for 2. The score is 48-68. Lumobo na po sa 20 ang kalamangan ng Team Sky Team. Okay. In-improve pa po lalo.
21-point lead.
Royol, second shot. Pops up. Pasok pareho.
22-point lead.
At 22-point lead advantage have been posted na by Sky Team. Harsha, nakalusot. Harsha. No foul, no foul, no foul. Abregana, malakas. Royol, easy 2. Dapat, takbo kagad ng ano. Ishbon, Ishbon. Ishbon, nakalusot, Ishbon. Again, nakalusot, again.
Africana.
Uy! Good ball, good ball.
Kano, pass to Harsha.
Harsha, 2 points, Harsha. Again, intercepted.
Another steal. Kano.
Malalim. 2 points, Kalo. 20, 20, 20, 20, 20. Oh, ayos ka, Royal?
Africana.
Guzman pops up. No, it's Royal. 2 points, Royal.
Antinato.
52-74. Harsha, Harsha. Double team, triple teamed. Ishbon, Ishbon. So, Bajola, Bajola. No good. And Abregana, mag-isa lang siya. 2 points. Timeout called by QDF. Nag-breakdown yung QDF. Na-choke sila. Okay, after 3 minutes, more than 3 minutes po, of fourth quarter action, the score right is 52-76 at 17-16 remaining. A 24-point lead advantage been posted now by QDF. Yung typical running gun boys nila, gumagana ngayon. And of course, yung pinaka-vaunted choke po nila. Ba na bang QDF sa Sky Team? Again. Harsha. Harsha. Double team. So, sa likod. Sa likod si So. Nice one. Laki nila. 2 points again. Bajola.
Banyola.
So.
Last to Ijimon.
Ijimon, no good.
Wala. Rebound.
Amerikano nakadribble na naman. 6:42 remaining.
Guzman.
Guzman. 2 points. 2 points si Guzman.
Banyola. India.
Out of bounds.
Same ball.
Same ball. Again.
Shot clock 10.
Hop! Ano nangyari?
Technical foul.
Technical foul called Sky Team. Rep, ano nangyari? Dahil nag-anim, di nagbilang. Again, bola pa rin po ng Sky Team ng QDF. Na-take na po ang Sky Team kasi anim po ang player po sa loob. Naging volleyball team sila ngayon. Okay. Bajola. Malakas ang pasa.
Rayon. Banyola. Recover.
Harsha.
Harsha. Pass to
No good. Ano? Good ball. Good ball, good ball, good ball. Malapad. Malapad, malapad, malapad. 2 points malapad. Masyadong malapad si malapad. Game tayo ngayon. Badjola binabang bola at 53-82. A 29 point lead advantage being posted now by team Sky Team. Harsha, no good. Rebound, laki nila, binabang bola. Laki foul call, Badjola. 5:08 remaining. Sky Team nag-timeout po. 53-82. Okay, ano muna tayo? Hanap boy muna tayo. This Asia Aviation Friendly Doubles of Flying League would like to thank following sponsors. Team LBC, hanap pa lang Thread the Needle. Sama po natin po ang SPBARA. Ako, Referee Association, PSB Basketball League. And of course, final game this week po is being played now between Sky Team and QDF. The score right now is 53-82. 5:08 remaining. Sky Team leading the ball game. Okay, Real. Mr. Real. Number 10, Real. Kay Malapad. Binababa kay Malapad ngayon. Malapad. Bryle. Bullet. No good. Foul. Hands called for a foul.
First team foul.
Kalo, inbounding. To Harsha. Binababa ang bola ni Harsha. Harsha, number 30. Pops up. No good. Again, the Blue Boys on the run. Bullet, 2 points. 4:24 remaining. Kalo. Harsha. Pops up for 3. Nope. Rebound by Bryle. Out of bounds. Harsha. Kalo against Malapad. Out of bounds. Uy. Blue ball, blue shirts. 3:42 remaining. Binato ng bola. Number 5. Number 9. Bullet. Nope. Again, yellow shirts. Badjola. No good. Malapad. Malapad called for the foul. Badjola, number 10, shooting for 2. Badjola pops up. Pasok. Second shot, Badjola. Jumpers ready tayo. Second shot, Badjola. Number 10. Pops up. Pasok pareho. 3:19 remaining. Pinatong bola, Real. Bullet. Sir. Malapad. Mali pinasahan.
Substitution.
3:19 remaining. Badjola, binaba ang bola. Number 10. Arnan. Badjola, number 10. Arnan again. Number 9. Pops up for 3. Nope. Rebound. Pops up. Kalo. Kapos. Real, naka-rebound. Binababa ni Real ang bola. Real, binaba ang bola. Malapad to Bryle again for 3. Bang! Long bomb from Bryle. Badjola. Bajola, lost the ball. Malapad, binababang bola na malapad, malapad. Siena, tumalapad, malapad. Pinalpal ng ring. Malalim, masyadong malalim. Hindi na malapad, malalim na, malalim. 2:07 remaining, 55-87, pops up. No good. Out of bounds. Last 2 minutes. Bullet. Number 9. Siena. Number 2. Siena. Kick pass to Brian again. Pops up. Nope. Malapad. Bullet. Bullet. No good. Siena. Billy Siena. Malapad. For 3. Wala. Rebound by Bajola. Bajola naka-rebound. Binato na. Nandun si Malapad. Siena. Real. 2 points. 1:07 remaining. Harsha. 1 minute remaining. Nice steal. Almost by Bullet.
No mercy. 50 seconds.
50 seconds remaining. Harsha. Kalo for 3. Nope. Real. Malapad again. Malapad. Billy. Siena. Bullet. Kapos. Ginagawa mo.
20 seconds.
Okay, Harsha. Arnam for 3. Yes, sirree. 30 seconds remaining. Bullet. 4 seconds. Okay, that's it. Congratulations. Win number 3. Being picked up now by Team Sky Team. Maraming salamat po. You've witnessed now the game between Sky Team versus QDF. Final score 58-89. Sky Team winning.